This video will cover the endocrine system, including cell signaling, chemical messengers, endocrine glands, hormones and their chemical structure, and the mechanism of hormone action. The endocrine system consists of glands and their secretions, called hormones. These ductless glands release hormones directly into the bloodstream. Cell signaling is the ability of a cell to receive, process, and transmit signals. This communication can be with its environment or with itself. Receptors are proteins that detect chemical signals or physical stimuli. They are generally located on the cell surface or within the interior of the cell. Chemical messengers are substances involved in cell signaling, coordinating the activities of cells, tissues, and organs. They carry the signal from controlling cells to target cells. Chemical messengers include endocrine, paracrine, autocrine, and neurocrine messengers. Each type affects target cells in different ways and locations. Neurotransmitters are released into synaptic junctions, while neuroendocrine hormones are secreted into the circulating blood. Cytokines are peptides that can function as autocrines, paracrines, or endocrine hormone. Glands are groups of epithelial cells that produce specialized secretions. They are divided into exocrine glands, which release substances into a duct, and endocrine glands, which release substances directly into the bloodstream. Major endocrine glands synthesize and release classical hormones directly into the blood, playing a vital role in homeostasis and body control. Hormones are chemical messengers classified into three major classes: protein or polypeptide hormones, steroid hormones, and derivatives of the amino acid tyrosine. Hormone action begins when it combines with a specific receptor on the target cell to form a hormone receptor complex. This complex then induces changes in the target cell. Hormone receptors are highly specific proteins. They can be found in the cell membrane, cytoplasm, or nucleus of target cells. The number of receptor proteins can be regulated. Downregulation occurs when excess hormone decreases the number of receptors, while upregulation is the increase in receptors when hormone is deficient. The hormone receptor complex executes hormonal action by altering cell membrane permeability, activating intracellular enzymes, or acting on genes. Neurotransmitters can act by changing the permeability of the postsynaptic membrane. An example is acetylcholine increasing sodium permeability at the neuromuscular junction. Protein hormones and catecholamines often act by activating intracellular enzymes. The hormone is the first messenger, which leads to the formation of a second messenger, like cyclic AMP, that produces the effects inside the cell. G proteins, located on the inner surface of the cell membrane, are essential for CAMP formation. Their alpha subunit, bound to GDP, plays a vital role in biological actions. This sequence of events leads to the formation of CAMP. CAMP can trigger various cellular responses, including muscle contraction, changes in membrane permeability, synthesis of substances, and cellular secretions. Thyroid and steroid hormones act by influencing genes in target cells. Steroid hormones bind to cytoplasmic receptors, while thyroid hormones bind to nuclear receptors. This sequence of events leads to gene activation. Thank you for watching this video on the endocrine system.